Now, as we are heading towards the delivery, so many of the new investors really wonder the kind of deliveries, the total deliveries that Nio is going to produce for the month of February. And this is something that is making these upcoming deliveries to really be important to the new investors, right? I mean, we have been seeing, yes, the insurance registrations coming from or published by CNF Post, who got the information from Leo. Though Neo has not been doing that well, but I must say, recently we have been seeing some pretty good news, decent news from delivery centers, obviously pegged and Neo delivering as many vehicles as possible. I mean, this video today, I am giving you another delivery center, which this was the 22nd of February. The person said they visited this delivery center on the 22nd, which was this past Saturday. And this delivery center is in Nanjing, right? Which as soon as the screen you'll notice that it is pegged, the delivery center is pegged, this is called the Jiulong Lake Delivery Center. It is packed and it appears that Nio is busy trying to deliver as many cars as possible. Nio is busy, and hopefully we get to see the deliveries, or hopefully we get to see Nio obviously getting the double sales as compared to last year, or hopefully seeing a year-on-year growth of 100%, which will be so very good if Nio can get to that. I have discussed a lot about what we can expect. I'm expecting 16,200 or 300, which will represent 100% delivery growth rate. There are those that say that they still see 20,000, but at the same time there are those that are saying they see 10,000. So we will see. My predictions, my estimate, it looks like they are somewhere in between of what people are really expecting out of Nio come this Saturday, when they will be announcing or doing the official announcement of the February deliveries. So this video that we are seeing of this delivery center, it is a signal, it is a hope, or it spikes hope onto the new investors, because what has been trending, what has been coming out of the sum of the people is that Nio is not doing well. This could be the end of the road, but I'm here to tell you that Nio, this is just the beginning. This is not the end. Remember the 13,800 that we saw for January, for the month of January, though they were not representing 100% delivery growth rate. Those deliveries were a 37% increase year over year, or represented a 37% increase year over year. I mean, generally, the industry or the car market in China for the month of January dropped by, or only grew by 9%, and Nio representing or seeing a growth of 37%. This was something, or this is something that is good and shows you that Nio is growing more than the industry average, right? Which is always a good thing, because you want to invest into a company that is growing more than the industry average, right? Nio, it is a company that is doing well. I think what is happening to the investors is that we're expecting so much too soon, but we forget that there will be impact, like the fact that Nio still needs to launch new 2025 facelift models, which that can have an impact into deliveries. The fact that, of course, Onvo L60 might not be doing the job alone. It might need support, help of other two models that they need to launch. That might also be a factor. But the good thing is this: from next month, which is in March, end of March, Nio will be starting with the deliveries of the ET9, which followed by the deliveries of the Firefly sub-brand in April. From there, in going forward, we are to expect the 2025 Nio facelift models, which the Nio CEO has already told us that the space between the launch and the deliveries won't be that long. They will do their best, they will try their best to make sure that immediately after the launch of these models, deliveries start as soon as possible, because they realize the kind of impact that this has onto the deliveries. They realize onto the kind of a hurt that this does. Consumers end up leaving or letting go of their sales. Consumers end up canceling their orders, which is something that is not good at all. So all this that is coming, it will bring a massive recovery into the kind of sales, the kind of deliveries that we will see from Nio. And by the way, March Onvo is expecting to sell 20,000, which we look forward to that. Onvo alone is expecting, or Onvo L60 is expecting to sell 20,000 in March, and hopefully that comes to pass. Hopefully we get those 20,000 to obviously squeeze out the short sellers, the naysayers that will always come and badmouth Nio. But otherwise, again, let's wait, let's see how it unfolds. Saturday will be a very important day for Nio. Yes, I know tomorrow is insurance registrations, but Saturday, this coming Saturday, it will be very important for Nio, and hopefully cross fingers, Nio gets 100% delivery growth rate, because with that it will open so many doors for Nio in terms of investors coming, flooding in, flocking in, and buying this company. So yeah, man, I am quite happy. I am excited. These videos that we are seeing are great signs of what might come this Saturday. These videos are a good sign of what we might start receiving from tomorrow. And I must tell you, let's wait. I think we're going to get to be surprised, or actually surprised, to the kind of deliveries that Nio gets to generate. I think even if Nio does not get the over 100% delivery growth rate, the deliveries as compared to those of January could be more. But again, let's wait, let's see. But as it stands, new investors are somewhere between 10 and 20,000 deliveries. Let's wait, let's see. And tell me your prediction, by the way. Write it on your comment. How many vehicles do you think Nio will be able to deliver this month? I've said 16,000, but obviously it can go either way, right? So tell me your predictions. What is it that you're expecting from Nio this month? What is it that you think Nio will be able to produce this month? I look forward, and I'll be giving you the insurance registrations tomorrow as they come. And hopefully already they also give us the last signal, or the final signal, of what we might expect or what might come on Saturday, which will be the official day when you give us the official audited report of their deliveries. That's all from me. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, because one thing that obviously you are getting these days is some of the new investors don't know how they feel, but obviously videos like these are the ones that keep them in the loop, keep them updated. But again, whatever you do with the Nio holdings, if you want to sell, buy, increase your holdings, do so. Trim your holdings, you can do so. I'm not certified to tell you what to do, because I'm not a financial advisor, but all I can say are my opinions, and this what I was laying out for you, what I was telling you here based off the video we saw, are just my opinions to say that we can expect good things, good news to come from Nio. Otherwise, with all that, I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. That's all from me, and God bless you all.